Yeah, are you gonna forgive me in my presence? Or are you gonna be sitting here my witness? I don't even know if you gonna be sitting here in my grave, thinking that I'm over here in my pave, thinking I'm gonna be here today. Yeah, here I go today. Little storm, but up was made. I'm coming up among my saints. Everything that I go off, show off. I don't even try today, but I'm just freestyling today. I don't care what y'all be saying, but I'm just me doing me, living up these groupie bees. Yeah, but I want everyone to forgive me, cause I'm just doing me. I had no one there to show me. I'm just living my life and doing me. Ain't got no one to sit there and be flu me. I be doing my shit on my own time. I be sitting and taking care of things on my line. No one knows all the struggles that I've been through. I'ma keep it 100% real on the shit, nah. I always do on my fucking groove. I don't care if you be hating, you just snooze or lose. I'm just doing me if you will wanna be, cause I'm just doing what I got. I don't care what these people talking down. I really don't care. I really could care less what everybody be hating, cause I'm doing me now. I came from the bottom up. I ain't gonna let no one screw me fucking up, cause they ain't got my fucking touch up. They ain't me, they just gon' hate cause they ain't me. I don't give a fuck if you be hating, cause I'm ain't me. Yeah, forgive me for all the shit that I be saying, even though I be playing, but I just speak the fucking facts I'm saying. Yeah, cause I've been through some other shit. No one been in my life, cause they ain't been through me, bitch. I'm just ghosting this, thinking what the life is this? What the hell is this shit? We don't even know we copping today. We just got a wrist today. I ain't gonna be copping everything that I be doing on my time today. Doing this, just going off about some shit. I don't care, but I just be doing this for myself on my time. No one be telling me I'm a line. No one be telling me what I got being doing on my grind. Cause you want some fake shit, petty shit, don't care what you be on. Because I be just going off, yeah. Like I said, forgive me all the shit that I be doing, but I'm just in my own pity, yeah.